Hello, I'm Alan Pope, aka Popey, and I work in developer relations for Tessl, a startup making agentic developer tools. I'm also a veteran of the Ubuntu community, previous canonical warthog, Snap advocate, cat enthusiast, security fan, and high-end vibe coder. My motivation for this particular project is that in DevRel, we're always looking for demos or crafting demos to show off whatever product or service that we're currently shilling for that day. And ideally, those demos need to be accessible, relatable, repeatable, simple, shareable. And the whole purpose of this endeavor is to describe how I was to create such a demo. Back in the distant past of December 2025, Chainguard kicked off round one of a fun coding/marketing exercise called the Vibe Olympics. And there were 3 rounds over a few weeks. And interestingly, this is a contest that it was impossible for me to win. But Popey entered the game anyway. The rules for round 1 were very simple. Rule 1, vibe code an app. Rule 2, the UI must be emoji only. I'm in. Rule 3, use their container technology, which is fine, because this is a marketing exercise for them, so that's all good. And rule 4, don't blink. Whatever you do, don't blink. No, that's not it. It's don't look at the code is rule 4. That's an important part of vibe coding, is never look at the code. I wanted to make this extra hard, so I like doing things in hard mode, so I added an extra Popey-only rule, which is I wanted to create a one-shot prompt that I can give to any AI agent and get a functional app with no conversation, no questions or errors. So I didn't want to have a back-and-forth argument with an AI. I hadn't got time for that. I just wanted to give it a super comprehensive specification and take away what I got. YOLO mode all the way. Also, remember, the bonus, I can't win. And the reason why is there was a judging panel, and my boss was one of the judges, and so that immediately made it unfair if I were to win. So I knew I couldn't win going into this. So, for round 1 of the Vibe Olympics, my submission was this. Now, unfortunately, it's been stretched around, but it says emoji nav, which is what I created. Now, MojiNav, it's live right now. You can visit this URL, mojinav.popey.com, and it's an open source, emoji-only navigation app to give you walking directions to local amenities. You press one of these buttons, like if you want pizza, you click the pizza button. It finds pizza places near you. You tap on a pizza place, and it gives you walking directions to the pizza place. No, it doesn't tell you which one it is. Surprise! Hang on, you might be thinking, what's this got to do with Ubuntu? Well, I made it through to round 2 with my excellent application, and so the rules for round 2 were really in my wheelhouse. So as before, vibe code an application, don't look at the code, and again, I added my bonus hard mode one-shot prompt requirement, and the requirement from them was a package ecosystem auditor. I planned this out as SnapScope. This was my master plan. I would generate SBOMs for all of the public snaps in the Snap Store, and then generate vulnerability reports based on those SBOMs, and then something would happen and I'd get great success and I would be the winner, in my head. I decided to combine the quinteffector, which is apparently the 5 for trifecta. I didn't realize that, but I had to Google it. Of 5 things to build this awesome thing. I wanted to use the Snapcraft Store API, Sift, an open source SBOM generator, Gripe, an open source vulnerability scanner, some S3 compatible block storage, and an enormous 21 kilobyte single Markdown prompt that meticulously describes my deepest software desires. And yes, word count is that big. And all of this is on GitHub. You can go and have a look. I realized afterwards that Sift should have gone over there and Gripe should have gone here. Sorry, I got the colors mixed up. So how do you build it? Well, you throw the 20 kilobyte prompt at your favorite AI agent and just say, off you go, build it, chop, chop. And it worked. And I got an app out of it. And it's quite good. So what did we actually get? Well, I've got a tool that will show you a scan report. Once it's scanned a snap and generated the vulnerability report, you get one of these for each scan that it does. You get a timeline because it keeps all the scans, so you can see a history of whether number of CVEs is going up or down per snap or for the entire store. And publishers can get a view with a summary of all of their snaps. Zeros. Well done, Mark. So there's this scan pipeline where the user can submit a snap that they want to be scanned, but it will actually go and check the store. It checks the store very frequently. I have been given HTTP 429s from the store quite a lot. Also, those requests then go into a queue. A worker then uses SIF to generate the SBOM, Gripe to generate the vulnerability report, and it says somewhere that I was using mini.io, and then that all went horribly wrong. So it's now all in object storage in Hetzner, so that's good. The tech stack. Front end, back end, worker, yeah. The outcomes. I built a thing. Yay. I didn't win the contest. Fine. I found some bugs. I identified a bunch of malicious apps in the store. That's good. I reported them like a good boy. I learned a lot about articulating requirements to AI agents, and I generated over 900, well, nearly 1 million JSON blobs for all of these snaps over time and the vulnerability reports. You can download all of them. They're all linked from the pages. So I don't know why I do these things. Thanks very much. If you like AI kind of stuff, next week we're having an event, Monday, Tuesday, here in London. There's a discount code for all my Ubuntu friends, 50% off in-person tickets. You can also join virtually. Thank you very much.